Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use App Store without credit card. If you are creating new Apple ID, in this case, let's open App Store and please make sure that you are signed out of any your Apple ID accounts. Now find any free application that you want to download and tap Get button. Now, when prompted to sign in, here will be displayed option button Create New Apple ID, and you want to press it. Then follow the setup prompts. And finally, when you reach the payment method page, you have to select None option as a selectable choice in the payment section. And then you have to simply complete the billing address fields. But if you already have an Apple ID account and your current account is asking for your card, you can try removing the existing payment method. Let's open settings on your device and at the top tap your name, which is your Apple ID. Let's go to section Payment and Shipping. Then you want to tap your current credit card, and you will see option to remove. Additionally, you can press Edit in the top right and use this minus sign next to the payment method that you use, and you can remove your Apple ID, Apple Pay, or any other card that you use. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.